The Fraud Address module empowers businesses to proactively counter fraudulent activities by closely monitoring and controlling security aspects related to customer addresses. In this video guide, we'll show you how to configure and effectively utilize the Fraud Address module within your website's admin area. After a successful installation, navigate to the Modules and Extensions tabs. Locate the Fraud Address module within the list and click on the Edit button to access its configuration settings. Within the Settings section, activate the toggle option to enable the Fraud Address module for your website. Confirm and save your configuration changes by clicking the Update button. Now let's move on to managing fraudulent orders. Move to the Orders, Customers, and Orders tabs. Select the specific order from the list and click the Process Order button. On the Processing Order page, click the Fraud Order button. Choose the Mark as Fraud option from the pop-up list and confirm your action by clicking the Confirm button. A marked fraudulent order will be highlighted in orange in the Processing Order window and the Orders list. To reset Fraud Mark, select the desired order from the list and click the Process Order button. On the Processing Order page, click the Fraud Order button. Choose the Reset Fraud Mark option from the pop-up list and confirm your action by clicking the Confirm button. The order will no longer be highlighted in orange. To manage fraud addresses, move to the Modules and Fraud Addresses tabs. In the Filter section, search addresses by type using the drop-down list. The fraud addresses data is presented in a table with columns: fraud address type, fraud address, and date added. You can customize the display quantity per page by selecting a number from the drop-down list. Add, edit, or delete existing fraud addresses using the corresponding buttons. For new addresses or edits, select the fraud address type, enter comments and email address in the respective fields. Click the Save button to confirm changes. With these settings, the system will automatically mark fraudulent orders based on address matches. Thank you for choosing the Fraud Address module for enhancing your security measures.